Hey everyone, how you doing? It is me, Tim. Been a rainy weekend for us. It's been a rainy weekend all weekend long here in Michigan for us. And it's coming down again. Yeah, this rain started Friday night. Well, it kind of subsided for a while and everything. But then it came back and it rained late Friday night into Saturday. And I tell you, yesterday morning we had some downpours here in Michigan. But then after that it cleared, the rain left, but it was just a gray day yesterday. But then the rain decided to come back for today, and it's been raining off and on. But it decided to come back for this evening. Temperatures are not bad out. That's one good thing. Temperatures are not bad. But yep, it's been a rainy weekend for us. How's it been for you? Leave a comment in the comment box and let me know how it's been for all of you, your weather, where you're at. Just curious what you had this weekend. Yeah, ours has been a rainy one here in Michigan today. So, how was everyone's Sunday for them? Well, I hope your Sunday was a good one. Yeah, a very good one for all of you. My Sunday was pretty good. Can't complain about it. Really can't complain whatsoever about my Sunday. It's been a typical one. I got up about, what time was it? About a little after, 8 o'clock this morning. I didn't rise out of bed until about 8 this morning. And got up, got around. And, okay. Why doesn't the light want to work? Okay. Well, that's weird. Wonder why the light went off. Huh. I didn't even pull the string. Got a new ceiling fan that was put in yesterday here in my bedroom. And I don't remember turning it off from the string. That was weird. I turned it off by the switch this morning. That is really weird. But yeah, got a new ceiling fan put up yesterday. Gonna be using it a lot in here. It has the symbols on here. Got fan on this one and light on that one. And this is how to turn it on. Yeah. And got a new ceiling fan put in yesterday. But yeah, I'm going to be using it on the warm days when I need to. The good old warm days. What do y'all got planned to do for this wonderful Sunday evening? What's left of it? About let's say it's about a little after 7 o'clock where I'm at here in Michigan. Me, I am watching college hoops. Been watching that today. Got Kentucky and North Carolina playing. A close one in this game. And after this game gets done, then I'll flip it to the TLC channel so I can get ready to watch Long Island Medium. That's all new at 8 o'clock on the TLC channel, so I'll be catching that and watching that. But earlier today, let's say I went down and got a video of a train. Did that and got a double whammy. Well, while got the end of one, well, I got one, and at the tail end of it, another one was coming. Got a double whammy, and then after that left from there and came home and just been chilling at home. And then I had to go to the pharmacy and get a refill on some medication, so I went to do that today. And then after that, went back to see if I could get another train, but no more trains, so I left from there and been home since then. Until my daughter called, and I went to go pick her up, her boyfriend, and took him to the store so he can grab him something, and took him somewhere else so he can drop off something, and took him to a party store, and then after that dropped him off and came home and just been home chilling. And then my son, he walked up to Dollar Tree to get a fish sandwich and a barbecue sandwich that you just put in the microwave, and that's what we had for dinner tonight. And now just chilling and waiting for this basketball game to get done so I could turn it and get ready to watch my good old show, Long Island Medium. Then after that, I'll find something interesting on until I have to take my son to work tonight. And he returns tonight after having Friday and last night off. And that's how my rest of my Sunday's going to be. The rest of my Sunday. Yeah, my good old rest of my Sunday. Let me know how the rest of your Sunday's going to be for you. Leave a comment in the comment box, and let me know how the rest of your Sunday's going to be for all of you out there. Let's see here if I got any new subscribers to my channel here. Sometimes they'll sneak in when they want to. Sometimes I don't get notifications about if I get new subscribers. I don't know why, but it does that to me sometimes. If the thing ever works. No new subscribers. Just the same old ones. Just the same old ones. Well, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video here, and if you did, go thumbs up. Share it if you can. If you're new and came along this video, hey, hit that red subscribe button right there, click on it, and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that I have. I got plenty, so feel free and check them out. And I'll share some with your family and friends. Again, y'all take it easy and have a fantastic one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going into Monday or almost stepping into Monday, wherever you're at, well, hey, happy Monday to you. And if you're still in the Sunday and having a great, great Sunday, wherever you're at, well, happy Sunday. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a fantastic one out there. And this vlog will be over.